Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. In the previous video, we discussed how culture played an important role in the nation, in the idea of nation. In this video, we shall be talking about the hunger, the hardship, and how hardship led to the popular revolt. The 1830s were the years of great hardship in Europe. The first half of the 19th century saw an enormous increase in the population of Europe. In most countries, there were more seekers of job than employment. In small towns, small producers faced stiff competitions from machine-made goods from England. Peasants struggled in all the countries of the Europe. Food prices went up and a bad harvest in one particular year led to pauperism. The year 1848 was one such year. Food shortages and widespread unemployment brought the population of Paris out on the roads. Barricades were erected and Louis Philippe was forced to flee. National Assembly proclaimed a republic, granted suffrage to all adult males about 21 and guaranteed the right to work. National workshops to provide employment were set up. Earlier in 1845, weavers in Silesia had led to a revolt against contractors who supplied them raw material and gave them orders for finished textile, but drastically reduced their payments. The journalist Wilhelm Wolff described the events in a Silesian village as follows. In these villages, common weaving is the most widespread occupation. The misery of the workers is extreme. The desperate need for jobs has been taken advantage of by the contractors to reduce the prices of the goods they render. On June 4 at 2 p.m., large crowd of weavers in pairs came out of their houses and marched towards the mansion of the contractor. They were treated badly. They entered his house, smashed the elegant windows, and the contractor with his family fled away to a neighboring village, which refused to give the contractor shelter. The contractor came back after 24 hours, having requisitioned the army. Bullets were fired and 12 weavers were killed. Thus, hunger and hardship led to a revolution. Friends, not only this, when the revolution of the peasants and the weavers was going on, there was a parallel revolution going on. Can you imagine? The educated middle class young boys and girls had also joined, and they were running a parallel revolution to the peasants and the weavers. We shall talk about it in the next video. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, keep watching. Thank you.